Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you future continuous tense. Let's get started. The future continuous tense, also known as the future progressive tense. It's mean we also call to the present future continuous tense future progressive tense is a verb form that indicates it means it shows an action that will be in progress at a specific point. Specific point means specific time in the future. It is formed using the auxiliary verb will be. It means we will use with will be with plus be plus the present participle of the main verb. It's mean we will use ing palm with v1 in the sentence. Examples: I will be studying for my exam at 8 p.m. tonight. Here you can see be come here, it's an auxiliary verb. Studying, we use, I told you that here we will use past form of are with, it means we will use with past form of verb ing form. For my exam at 8 p.m. tonight, they will be moving into their new house next month. Next one is a time expression. Tonight is also a time expression. She will be attending a conference in Paris next week. Next week. It will be raining by the time we arrive. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be in progress at a specific point in the future. It means the action will continue in the future specific time. Show that an action will be ongoing at a specific time or period. As I told you that it will continue in the future specific time. Indicate that an action will be interrupted by another action. Express future actions that are planned or scheduled. Explanation: this tense is often used to talk about future planned, schedules, or ongoing actions and to show how they will fit into a larger timeline.